Hi guys, my name is Alan and welcome to the AI Geek, and today we're gonna help you write a YouTube script, description and a title with the help of some AI tools. The process in itself is really simple, but it's good to keep in mind that you can still be creative with this stuff, okay? You don't just need to copy and paste, and you can always add your twist to it so you're not fixed into anything. And today we're gonna use the free tools. Rytr is one of those tools. It offers a free trial. No, actually it offers a free plan. If we go under pricing, yeah, you have a free plan here. That's 10k characters per month. But if you need more, there's like 100 characters for only $9 per month. Link is down in the description. Also, if you want to check some of the other writers, updated list of all of them, it's down in the description below. As we go through this video, I will also suggest, so to say, upgrades to some more advanced softwares, if you will, that are actually quite more expensive than this, if you of course have the budget for it, but it can all be done for free within Rytr and Chat GPT. So starting off, we're gonna assume that you don't really have a specific direction you want to go in. You know, let's say you just want to talk about coffee, but you don't really know what exactly you want to talk about. So you need some sort of a topic idea. And for that, you can be creative. You know, you can go on YouTube and search for some topics. You can go on Reddit and get some ideas, but you can also get them straight from the Chat GPT. So you will go into the Chat GPT and write something along the lines of, give me topic ideas I can make an YouTube video about related to coffee. And let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so it's given us 10 ideas. 10 ideas we can actually make a video about, we can write a blog about, whatever, you can repurpose this. Basically, here you have ideas that you can actually use. If you for some reason don't find anything special in this 10, you can always say, give me some more. And I'm pretty sure that we can push it even further. Do you have any more? Sure, 21, 22, 24, 25. It's it just keeps on spitting out, right? Okay, so now we have 30 different ideas. Okay, now we're just gonna choose something. We're just gonna choose something random out of here, and we're gonna try to actually make a video out of that. So here, for example, you have coffee and mental health. This is the main keyword that we're gonna copy. And like, here's a suggestion: explore the effects of coffee on mental health, including its potential benefits and depression and anxiety. So we're gonna copy this keyword, coffee and mental health, and we're gonna go to Rytr. And once you log in, this is the site you're gonna be presented with. So you'll go down to video idea. You have video idea with the description, channel description. So we're gonna go into the video idea and we're gonna paste this keyword in, coffee and mental health, and let's see what Rytr will generate for us. So here, as we can see, we already have basically a ready title that we can use for a video. It's spit out 3, you can do another 3 if you want. If you don't like any of them, so, you know, you can just go on and on. But sometimes, yeah, these will happen, as you can see, you know, you just put a, yeah, that's all it did on the first title. So this will happen sometimes with the free versions and cheaper software, so to say. But when it comes to ideas, titles and all of that, this software is still pretty good. We're gonna upgrade when we go to actual writing of the script. Okay, so we're just gonna use the first one, the surprising benefits of coffee for mental health and well-being. If we move further with Rytr, you have here a video description. So based on that title that we choose, it can already generate a video description. So let's use 2 variants. And yeah, creativity. Okay, let's use optimal and let's see what it comes up with. Coffee is often thought as a bad habit, but okay. So for example, this in itself is a great description. Okay, I would strongly recommend when you're doing this, when you're actually creating video, you go through each and every single one of your paragraphs, every single one of your descriptions, everything, you know. Read it through, read if it actually makes sense, because sometimes something will not really make sense, so you'll just edit that out or add your own twist to it, because if you're making a video about a certain topic, I'm sure you have something to say, you know, so you can always add your stuff. Now that we got that out of the way, we got a description, we got we got an idea, we got a description, and we got a title. And now what we need is actually the video content, so the script. You can go both ways here. So one way we're gonna try it with Rytr, and then another way we're gonna try it with ChatGPT. Here we're gonna use block, idea, and outline. What we need is an outline for this title. So we're gonna just copy that in here again, and we're gonna say write. So here again, it gave us another title. If you like this better, you can use that again. Just research if you have a topic like coffee. There's a lot of people that talk about coffee. There's a lot of well-established channels that will talk about coffee. So, you know, make sure you do your research if you're attacking a topic like coffee. And now with that, you got the basic outline for your video. You got your H2s, if you will. Now we will go on and start writing the actual content for exploring the link between coffee and mental health. We're gonna go here on the blog section writing, okay? And we're gonna copy that, the section topic. It actually gave us the keywords. We can actually use the keywords from here, copy it here, and let's see what it will come up with. Coffee has been popular beverage for centuries, and it's no. You can actually read this if you want, okay? But this is now the content for the first section, okay? Let's copy it up here, because this section is actually short, right? So we want to extend it a little bit. We just say continue writing. Rytr would just add content. Here again, be careful, because I would really strongly suggest go through this before you paste it in your script and you actually start reading it out when you're making a video, because sometimes it will double the content. Sometimes it will just write something that doesn't make sense. I would really strongly again suggest here that you start writing on your own, and then when you get lost, you just, you know, highlight the last sentence and you did, and you just do continue writing, and it will basically help you move forward quicker. I would mostly use AI tools in this kind of fashion, this kind of way, because I want to add my bit of something. If I'm making a video about something that's really dear to me, or that I have a lot of knowledge in, that I'm passionate about, I want to add my words. I want to be the one actually writing. So this is basically the way you would go through your whole entire script with each of these sections. And with each of these sections, a Rytr would just generate content for you. You see, I misclicked there, but it actually gave me a picture as well. It would just keep on writing for you. But let's say there is one, and also I forgot to mention, guys, when it comes to actually upgrades, I mentioned the upgrades before. If you're already running a YouTube business, or if you have bigger budget to run your YouTube channel, I would strongly suggest using Jasper or Copy AI or something like that. The links will be down in the description as well, but those are just a little bit more, how should I explain this? The GUI is way more polished. They have a lot more use cases. They have different levels of quality that you can choose. They just offer a little bit more, and you can go further with their software, okay? But there's definitely enough of the sources out there that you can do this for free. Anyways, I want to show you one more powerful thing inside Rytr, because that's really powerful shit, okay? Let's say that you like a section, okay, in general you like what Rytr said, but you don't really like the wording, or you don't really like the way it's spelled out, the way it's like structured. What you will do is you will just highlight this, for example, from here to here, okay? Now this is a little bit too long. Let's say this last sentence. You will highlight this, and you will do rephrase. This is one of the most powerful tools, okay? It just rephrases the whole entire sentence. I don't want to encourage copying other people, or, you know, stealing content and stuff like that, but sometimes if a piece of content is your inspiration, and you have like some sort of a paragraph that's really well said, you can always go inside here and rephrase it, add your own stuff to it, take away from it. It's a really, really, really powerful tool. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and do the same thing in Chat GPT. Now you also have your commands: clarify, exemplify, expand, explain, rewrite, amazing one, and shorten. Okay, we will use the same title that we used before, and we will go into Chat GPT and we will just say something like write YouTube. I'm just gonna paste the title. So we said write a YouTube script outline for the title that we chose. Now see here, because in Rytr we actually use the block template, but here is actually constructing the YouTube video in itself, so it gave us the timing. You can see here, for example, the video is 5.5 minutes long. Let's say we want to make it 10. Make it 10 minutes long. And here you go. It made it 10 minutes long. Now that in itself is a very powerful outline. Okay, you can just, if you know a lot about coffee, if you want to talk about coffee, this would be more than satisfactory for you, because you will be able to just take a look at these points and you will just talk because you know shit. Okay, you know stuff about coffee. And this is now basically a 10-minute long outline, but we can now also ask it to write a full script. Okay, so now it stopped at 8:30 at the section 4. Let's see, we just say go on. Now it just took off from where it left off, okay? So this is one way. You can ask it to write the whole entire script. I'm really not sure. I mean, I'm really sure that this is not 10 minutes worth of content. So I would use it a bit differently, okay? So here when we asked it for the outline, make it 10 minutes long, we have a 10-minute long outline, okay? I would actually go in here and take introduction, okay? And I would say write 1 minute worth speech for section 1, introduction. Here, when we asked it for a full script, see here it says the intro is 1 minute. That is not 1 minute worth of talk. I'm sure we can agree on that. If we ask it more specifically, here we can get closer. Okay, that might be 1 minute worth of talk. So I would just take out sections and like ask it one by one specifically, give it a little bit more specific instructions of what topic it should include, what keywords should it include. For example, here when you have coffee and sleep, if you want to tell people when is the last time of the day that they can have coffee, you would actually ask it to write that. You know, if you have something, if you know you have something specific to say under some section, you would just ask it to write that. And this is how you are going to construct the whole script basically, because this, as we said, it's not really a full video script, it's not 10 minute worth of speech. So I would just go about it like that. And then at the end, we need one more thing, which is a title. We'll write a title. No title. We need a description. What a description for this video. Write a description for this video. Now this is a pretty long description. Okay, so we can actually go here and we can actually choose the command is to shorten. Please shorten this. We actually copy this inside and it will shorten it. And this is now the video description that we have. Those are all really powerful tools. You just need to adjust a little bit of how to use them. You know, you just don't say to ChatGPT write a full script, but you go through it as we just explored, and you will get much more meaningful and much more focused output, so to say. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. On our website you have here the full list of the most useful, so to say, AI writers right now on the market, and you can go through and take a look. Almost all of them actually offer a free trial, so you can most definitely use advantage of that even if you are starting out. Thank you guys for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.